1 slip knot, and then chain, 31 chain. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now I have here total 31 chain. We'll start first row. To start first row, I will add 1 chain, 1 chain extra, then skip first one, this first chain skip, and on the second chain make single crochet. For the single crochet, just insert your hook on the next chain, bring yarn, pull through, then yarn over, pull through. So single crochet, and then make 2 chain, 1 2 chain, and skip 2 chain as well. So here I have single crochet on the next count, next chain 1 and 2, and then yarn over here. So 2 chain skip, and I have here 2 chain, and on the third chain here make double crochet, bring yarn, then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. So now you can see, first I make 1 single crochet, now 2 chain, then 2 chain skip, on the third chain double crochet. Now I'll make 2 chain, 1 2, and skip 2 chain, 1 2, on the third make single crochet. Just insert your hook without yarn and pull through yarn, then pull through 2, and now 2 chain, 1 2, and then skip to 1 2, on the third yarn over and make double crochet. So we are just making alternate, 1 single crochet, then 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, then 1 double crochet. So each make 2 chain, 1 2, skip to 1 2, skip, on the third make single crochet. Now here single crochet, and the next I will make double crochet. So 2 chain, then skip 2 chain, 1 2, on the third make double crochet. Yeah, now you will see something like this. So I'm making 1 double crochet and then 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet. Now 2 chain, make next 1 2, skip, on the third single crochet, then 2 chain, 1 2, make double crochet on the 1 2, skip, on the third double crochet, then 2 chain, 1 2, skip 2, make single crochet, then 2 chain, 1 2, skip to 1 2, on the third make single crochet, sorry, double crochet, single I make over here, now double crochet, now last I will make single crochet, 1 2, and skip 2, on the last chain I have here single crochet. That's it, I have completed my first row. Now you can see something like this. And now turn your work, will make second row. To start second row, I will start with the 3 chain. So second row, make 3 chain, 1 2 3 chain, and in the same place over here where I have here my single crochet, I will make in this double crochet 2 times, 1 yarn over, and make in this same space where we have our single crochet. In this space, first chain, make double crochet 2 times. So 1 time, 1 more time, same place, here 3 chain, and then 2 times double crochet. Now I will make double crochet on the top of this I have here double crochet, here I have single crochet, now this is the double crochet. So make in this on the top just 1 time double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in this on the top of your double crochet, make double crochet. That's it. And now I will make yarn over 5 times double crochet on the top of the single crochet. So we just need to work on the make 5 times double crochet on the single crochet. Same I will make on the single crochet, each single crochet. Yarn over, insert hook in this, yeah, I have here single crochet, on the top chain, here I have chains, make double crochet 5 times. So 1, again 2, again 3, 4, and last 5. Done. Now yarn over, and here I have double crochet in the next, so yarn over, make double crochet on the top of the, just double crochet. That's it. Now yarn over, I have here now next single crochet, so I will make 5 times double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 times double crochet. Now I will make double crochet on the top of this double crochet. So just once double crochet. Now next I have single crochet, so make 5 times. So make 5 times over here double crochet, then here 1 time double crochet, then single crochet 5 times, then here double crochet, just like this. So I'll meet you over here end of this. I will show you how many time we will make in the end. And okay, so I'm my second row end, and here I have last single crochet left. So we'll make exactly how we may start. Over here I have 3 stitches, so I will count this 3 chain 1 stitch. I have 3, I started with 3 chain and then 2 time double crochet, so I will count 1 2 3, and same we will make in here, ending 3 time double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook in this on the top single crochet here, make 3 time double crochet. 1 2, one more time, 3. That's it, finished this row. And now turn your work. We'll start third row. To third row we will make exactly how we did our first row, so we just need to now repeat this row. To repeat, start with 1 chain, and then I have here 1 2 3 double crochet. So skip first one and center one. If you see, we have 3 double crochet, so first double crochet skip, on the second double crochet I have here on the top, make 1 single crochet in this here, the center one, this center one, make single crochet. That's it. Now we'll make 2 chain, 1 2, and jump here. I have here 5 single double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5. So you just need to take the center one, the third one, middle one, skip, just skip this, skip to this side, to this side. On the fifth one here I have here this one, make single crochet in this. So we will make first double crochet in this. So yarn over, I have here double crochet, see this double crochet, we'll make double crochet on the top of the double crochet like this, and then 2 chain, 1 2, and here we will take center one. So 1 2 3 4 5 stitches we have, 1 2 skip, on the third, on the top, center one, this is the center, make single crochet like this, and then 2 chain, 1 2, and I have here double crochet on the top, double crochet, make double crochet. So this line with the double crochet will go only with the double crochet. That's it. Now 2 chain, 1 2, and on the center one, very center, make single crochet. Then 2 chain, 1 2, make double crochet on the this double crochet. You are getting something like this now. And then 2 chain, 1 2, make single crochet in the center one, center shell here. Now 2 chain, 1 2, yarn over, double crochet, then 2 chain 1 2, single crochet here, then 2 chain 1 2, double crochet. Okay, now 2 chain 1 2, last I have here, I will make single crochet in the last, in the center ones. Grab this center one. So I hope you guys can see, this is center, make single crochet. That's it. This row is finished. Now I will make fourth row exactly how we did our second row. Turn your work. We started with the second row 3 chains, so I will make 3 chain, 1 2 3, and I have here single crochet, so we will make exactly we did on the second row. 2 time double crochet, 1 time on the top of single crochet and 2 time. So here it will be 3. I will count 1 this chain, so 3, and then here I have double crochet, yarn over, make double crochet on the top, and then yarn over. I have here single crochet, make 5 time double crochet, 1 2 3 4, last 5. Now I have double crochet in the next, I will make only just double crochet, and then I have single crochet in here, make 5 time double crochet, 2 3 4 5, done. Now yarn over, double crochet, then yarn over, single crochet, make 5 time double crochet on the top of the single crochet, 2 3 4 5, then I have double crochet here, make double crochet. Now last I have a single crochet, make 5 time, 2 3 4 and 5, and now make double crochet on the top of this. Now last I have here single crochet, make 3 time double crochet, then finish this row, 2 and 3. That's it. And now we will do exactly same repeat we did our third row. You can see. Okay, so just keep doing now, just repeat your third and fourth row exactly how we make third row and fourth row. Keep repeating, keep doing this, you will get something like this. Okay, now you can see I completed more rows and how this is looks now. This is front side and back side here. So actually you can use both sides.